Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find someone on TikTok without username. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, you need to open TikTok, and you have two ways of how you can find some friends without username. So first of all, you need to click on the friends button in the bottom left corner, and here if you have no friends on your account, you will immediately have this interface where are all suggested friends that you might know are listed. So here you can scroll down and find some friends. So these are people that have mutual friends with you or just are in your contacts. So you can scroll down and find the guy that you are searching for. Maybe he will be somewhere right here. Because it may be your friend of your friend or something like that. The other way of how you can find friends without username is go to your profile, open the following list on your account, clicking on the following, wait a little bit and go to the friend that you want to check. So for example, I will open this guy and I will open his following list also, and here I also can see some guys without their username. So for example, this guy might know the friend that I'm searching for. So basically scroll down and you can also find here the guy without his username. And basically that is it. That is how you can find someone on TikTok without username. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.